Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add SEO title and meta description to your website. Now with this actual software it makes it a lot easier to do, and also what I'm going to do is show you a tool that I've got on the resources that you can use, and as Google say, or Bing, as a guideline, you need a certain amount of characters for your title and your description, and I'll show you how to do that with this tool. So the tool that I'm actually on about is this one here, which is called the word counter, and I'll leave you a link in the description so you can actually find this page, and then you can click on this and you can actually find the word counter. So first of all, when you've actually made your page and you've added all your content on your page, the next thing you can do is go over to settings, and what you'll need to do is click on SEO and meta tags. Now what that does is this brings up what Google will show as a result when they actually find your website, and this is it set out here. So when you actually fill your meta title in and your meta description, you can actually see what it looks like when Google come to actually index your web page. So basically, then this is just as a guideline, because people are now saying that meta titles and the description don't even come into the calculation of getting your pages indexed. But the way I look at it is if you leave this blank and this blank, then Google will find your page, and then they'll make up what they think is right for your actual title and description. But it only takes a couple of minutes to do it on this software, and it's better to put your own meta title and your meta description in here. Now, as a guideline again, they normally say meta title between 50 and 60 characters, and your meta description between 150 and 160 characters. Now I've had a tendency to do that, and my pages tend to get indexed, so obviously it's up to you what you want to do. You can either leave it blank, or you can actually add your meta title and your meta description. Now what I tend to go on is whatever the page is called, then that's what I would actually put as your meta title, and then whatever you've got on your page, I would make your meta description up from words off that page. Now when I talk about the tool, if I just copy this one here, I'm just using this one as an example, and we copy that, and we're actually in the editing tool. So I'll need to go over to, now this is the word counter, and to actually find that, if you come over, like I say, to the goodwebbusiness.net, and I'll leave you a link so you can find it. You just click on this, and that will actually take you over to the actual word counter. Now this is the one I tend to use all the time and recommend it, and I find it really helpful. So I've just copied that. So if I paste this into here, as you can see, this was the actual title. It's 58 characters, so it's between the 50 and the 60 characters. So what I would suggest you do, put the actual name of your page in here, and then add something else that ties in with what your page is about, and try and get it between 50 and 60 characters. Now if we just go back over to the editor, just click on here again, and then what, like I say, your description, if I just put this in, this is only as an example, so if we copy that and then we go back over and we take that out of there, and then we paste that back in there, and as you can see this is 154 characters, so that's within the 150 to 160 for your description. So really, that's a real simple way of doing your meta title and your meta description. And like I say, this is all done through the software at the Good Web Business hosting. And if you would like to leave a comment or just put a thumbs up or a like, then I would appreciate that, because it obviously helps the videos to get more views. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.